How to use Claude Code using API key. Want to use Claude Code in your apps? Let's set up the API key and make your first request. So, log into Anthropic's developers portal, go to the API key section, and then copy your key. Keep it private, never share it publicly. Claude Code works with HTTP requests, and Python install the request library to send calls to the API. Use your API key in the headers, send a post request with your prompt, and Claude Code will return a JSON response with the generated output. Store your API key in environment variables, set token limits to control usage, and error handling for failed requests. You can generate code, debug scripts, or integrate Claude into apps like Google Sheets or Word. It's flexible for freelancers and creators. Claude Code with API keys is a powerful tool for automating coding tasks and integrating AI into workflows. Perfect for freelancers and creators building tutorials or productivity tools.